In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a Vlookup in Tableau just like you would in Excel. If you're familiar with Vlookup in Excel, you know how powerful a tool it can be for data comparisons and analysis. Now, let's get started with how you can achieve a similar effect in Tableau. The first thing you want to do is open up your Tableau public app. This is where all the magic happens. Once you have Tableau open and ready, you need to access your worksheet. This is where you'll be setting up your data for the Vlookup process. Make sure you've set up a data source. Without it, there simply won't be anything to work with. Now head over to the data pane where you see your data source. Click on it and rename it so it's something easily recognizable, especially if you're dealing with multiple data sources. It's all about keeping your workspace neat and understandable. If your data is in the form of measure values, you might need to convert them into dimensions. This conversion is crucial because dimensions in Tableau act like labels to your data points and are used to categorize measures in your visualizations. Next up, you'll need to duplicate your data. Once duplicated, rename it to something like dataset 2. This second dataset will serve as an essential reference for your Vlookup. With your two datasets set up and ready, it's time to establish a relationship. Click on Data in the menu, then select Edit Relationship. Here, you're illustrating how these datasets relate to one another, much like creating a connection bridge between them. After you open the Edit Relationship dialog, click on Add. This allows you to select a dimension, this should be a common field, from both datasets, namely dataset 1 and dataset 2. Think of this as a defining point that both datasets share, much like a connecting piece of a puzzle. Once that's configured, click OK. Now drag a dimension from dataset 2 into the row shelf. This adds a new collection of data to your worksheet, giving you the lateral view of your data. Continue by dragging another dimension, such as parent, into the rows as well. This builds on the previous step, bringing more structure and detail into your view. Next, it's time to bring something from dataset 1 into play. Select a dimension such as first name and drag it into rows. You're now blending components from both datasets together, creating a layered view with added depth and context. Finally, select last name from your dataset and drag it to rows as well. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a process in Tableau that mirrors the functionality of Excel's Vlookup. By blending data across multiple sets, you can uncover insights that aren't immediately apparent when looking at datasets in isolation. Happy analyzing!